Good evening everyone. Ayan, welcome to Wong Regine TV again. I just want to flex guys the weather today. Okay, it's only 5:30 but it's totally dark now. Since the typhoon is already downgraded to typhoon signal number 3, so we have a work. We continue to go to work. Yeah, but the weather is a bit wet. It's not raining anymore, like a shower only, but we still need to bring umbrella. It may rain anytime. I feel lazy. I feel so lazy going to work, but we have to. Ayan guys, so nandito tayo. The typhoon is gone. And in the Philippines, sa aming place in Isabela, it's now I think signal number 4, and some parts are 5, which is nakakalungkot guys, kasi katatapos lang nung dalawang bagyo na lumipas at meron pang darating as far as I know. So praying, let's guys pray for their safetyness. Sira na ang kanilang mga taniman, but let's pray for everyone's safetyness. Ayan, so hopefully guys na include our loved ones in the Philippines, our friends, especially sa mga places na like in Isabela na totally in Luzon, totally affected guys ng bagyo. Pray na lang sa kanila guys. Magsisimula na naman sila ulit. Basta safe lang sila, and I know na God will provide, di ba? So ayan guys, ayan madilim na ang panahon. Madilim na, 5:30 lang guys, 5:30, totally madilim na. Ayan, at meron tayong pasok sa work. Meron akong night part-time, kasi yung mga part-time ko at night is mga opisina, maglinis ng opisina. So kailangan yun mga after office hour. Mas madali ring gawin guys, kasi syempre medyo wala ng tao. Kung meron man, kukunti na lang yung mga mahilig mag-overtime at ayaw pang umuwi ng maaga sa kanilang mga bahay. Ayan. Quick live lang ito guys, and for my members only. At patuloy na, again, I will say thank you so much for your support. Thank you guys, and I hope guys na patuloy lang tayo sa ating pagwa-YT. God bless us all. So I will say goodbye now. Again, thank you and God bless you.